Do you know this? Women are often more attracted to a man who stops chasing them all the time. A guy who doesn't chase too much, isn't overly reactive, and isn't easily affected actually makes women curious. And that's the position you need to reach, bro. You need to get to a point where you are not controlled by a woman's actions or emotions, whether she's someone you're talking to or someone you're dating, because when you're not affected, in her eyes, you look like a strong man. A common situation. Let's say this. You're talking to a girl, and suddenly she stops texting first. Most guys panic. They start overthinking. What's wrong? Is she mad at me? Did I mess up? Then they start chasing. Hey, what's wrong? Why are you acting different? And without realizing it, they look too dependent. The right way to handle it. Now imagine this. You have your own standards. After a date, you don't text her immediately. You give it a few days, then you text her again, but she doesn't reply right away. This is where most guys fail. They panic. Damn, I waited too long. She's not interested anymore. But that's not necessarily true, bro. If you've already sent a message, just wait. She'll see it. And if she's interested in you, she will reply. The truth you need to understand. A woman who is genuinely interested in you can't hold herself back from replying, even if she's busy, she's testing you, or she just needs time. If she likes you, she'll come back. So if a girl doesn't reply, it's not because you waited too long. It's because from the beginning, her interest just wasn't strong enough. Simple logic. Now flip the situation. If you like a girl and she texts you after a few days, would you reply? Of course you would. Why? Because you're interested. Women are the same. Stop chasing too much. So relax, bro. You don't need to text her all the time. As long as you still ask her out, set dates, or invite her to hang out, that's already enough. The key is don't chase too much, don't overthink, stay calm and composed. Control your emotions. This is very important. If she gets mad, don't react emotionally, because if you do, she controls the situation. The one who stays calm is the one in control. So stay grounded. Another example. Let's say you go on a date and she's in a bad mood. You show up with positive energy. Don't let her mood drag you down. Psych. Stay positive. Most of the time, she'll start following your energy. And when she mirrors your mood, that's a sign she's attracted to you. Why you should stop chasing. Because when you stop chasing, she starts thinking, where did he go? Why is he different now? Curiosity starts building, and if she's still interested, she'll begin to text you first, seek your attention, even chase you back, because humans naturally fear losing something they value. So here's the bottom line, bro. If you want her to be more attracted to you, stop chasing too much, stop being overly reactive, stay calm and in control, because a strong man is not the one who keeps chasing, but the one who controls himself. All right, bro, that's it for today's video. Hope it helps. Stay sharp, stay strong.